Do not wear your seatbelt when the seatbelt sign has been turned on, and we suggest wearing it even when the sign is off. To fasten your seatbelt, place the flat metal fitting into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten around your hip. To release, lift on the upper portion of the buckle.
Fruit just attracts the right people together, and you're going to find out that in the next few days. Who you are, where you came from, and what you'll be teaching here at the festival, that'd be amazing.
I'm Elise from Morale Alignment, and I'm going to be talking about manifestation and setting goals and self-care and the evolution of raw alignment.
Hi, I'm Giovanna from Ravana, and I will be talking about mastering the social media lifestyle, about the evolution of Ravana as well, and balancing cooked with raw foods. So I'll see you guys there.
Hi, I'm Mel from Absolutely Mel. I am going to be doing a fruit platter workshop, 2 of them, and fruit photography workshop as well. So if you come, bring a knife so we can all do it together.
I'm Johnny, Johnny Juicer on social media. I'll be talking about my healing journey from juicing and raw foods, as well as doing more talks on juicing, which is like a huge passion of mine.
Hey, I'm Grant Campbell from Australia, leading a co-ed support group with Melissa. I'm leading a Cooked Food Anonymous support group with Erin.
I'm Lissa from Lissa's Raw Food Romance. I'm from Edmonton, and I'll be doing 2 talks and the co-ed support group with Grant, but my 2 talks will be success on a raw vegan diet in the winter, because we're from Canada, most of us, and also changing your perceptions and mind hacks to succeeding on a raw vegan diet.
I'm Courtney, I'm from Vancouver, and I'll be teaching acro yoga workshops throughout the weekends.
Thank you all the presenters. Thank you very much. Alright, that's it, that's all. Yeah,
in the van.
Yeah. Yourself, and then the other person is like the flame that you enhance.
Hi guys, I am so excited to finally be making this video. I've already been at this festival for about 2 days. I'm actually volunteering, so I showed up a day early, helped set everything up, getting to know so many cool people, and now finally the festivities are beginning. So I thought I would just say, hey, what's up? Welcome to the first annual Canada Fruit Festival. I'm so excited to be here. I'm feeling very inspired, very reinvigorated, and I just love making friends and meeting new people who are awesome, bouncing ideas, sharing life experiences, having a grand old time. Just haven't vlogged yet, so here I am. Hello, welcome to this video. The day is honestly coming to an end. As you can probably see, the lighting here is not good. I'm walking over to a concert that's going on right now. Gonna go listen to some live music, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a very, very fun-filled day of workshops, classes, yoga, hanging. Oh, and I do have to work a little bit because I'm a volunteer, so you gotta do it.
It's a beautiful world we live, as long as you have a chance to give me. The other day, I don't mind the rain, I'll take the time to sit back, relax, babe, focus on what's on my mind. I'm gonna let it shine. Yes, you are. This little light of mine. Do up, do up. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is actually the first really full day of activities and volunteering and stuff, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I woke up, went to sunrise yoga, which was incredible. It's very cold here compared to what I'm used to in Hawaii. And I'm now gonna go on a hike. We're gonna be hiking Sugarloaf Mountain. It's very smoky here from all the wildfires, so I hope that it doesn't affect my breathing during the hike. I'm not sure how difficult this is, and I know that smoke can affect my breathing a bit and gives me a headache and hurts my lungs. So I'm hoping it goes well. I'm excited to go hiking in Canada, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Lots of rain. I'm gonna go check on the tent and just make sure all my stuff is okay.
So it's like $4 to $5 per delivery.
All right, guys, we're in semi-crisis mode. My camera got wet. Well, everything in my tent got wet, but my camera's okay. Here we are. Everything's fine. Also, in good news, I finally got a hold of this dressing I've been trying to get at ever since, well, they gave it to us. But it's this like spicy pepper tahini dressing, and I've been missing out on my spice life. I've been really challenging myself lately. But yeah, as you can see, everyone just seems a little like disheveled, confused, wet. All fun. Do you guys want to say hi?
Hey!
Hi! 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 Oh, yeah. Am I a mess? I mean, yeah.
You had some grass. That's it.
Okay, update. This is what our campsite looks like right now. We're drying everything out. Basically everything I own got wet, but it's all gonna be okay. So yeah, everything's gonna be fine. Like none of my electronics are damaged. Everything got like damp, but I'm pretty sure everything's gonna be fine. So that's like the big, like big sigh of relief. But it's pretty cool looking around here with like all like everyone's clothes and blankets and towels just like laying out. But the other really awesome thing about what just happened is that it cleared out a lot of smoke. So I'm gonna go down to the water and show you guys the beautiful Lake Okanagan, because it's actually like my first time getting a proper viewing of it too.